All right, everybody, welcome to Showbiz Pizza Place, and yeah, your ears are working correctly. We're doing classical music here today.
That's right, and this is in keeping with our tradition to impart as much wisdom as we can to our captive audience.
So y'all just sit right back and soak up some culture while we crank out a few classical ditties. It just so happens that I am classically trained. That means I know these songs like the back of my head. Who can guess who wrote this one?